Joy to the World, pretty simple one. And actually this one's really simple because we only have 3 main chords, but wait, stop right now, click on the description below because I have the printable chord sheet for you to be able to follow along with me. So in the key of G, we have 3 main chords. We have a G, C, D. Pretty simple, right? G chord is made up of 3 notes, G, B, D. Then we're gonna play a D chord, 3 notes, D, F sharp, A. It makes a triangle shape there, white, black, white. And then we have a C chord, C, E, G. And you can, what's fun about chording is you can play the G here, or you can go up and play the G, you could play the G down here, whatever you want to do. If you want to go up to the D up here, you can play a D chord up here, you can play the D chord down here. You just have fun with it. Okay, so let's just go through. When our right hand is going to play a chord, our left hand is going to play single notes. So I'm going to move everything up just a tad, and I'm going to play a G chord here and single note G here. See, I have a single note attached to this chord. Then a D chord, D single note down here. C chord up here, C note down here, okay? So it's pretty simple. You could just go like this. Joy to the world. The D chord, Lord is come, right there with G. Let earth cease, receive her King, G. Let every heart prepare. Gonna hang out on this G. Repeat that sounding joy. Okay, and then you're gonna go to the G or D. Da, dun, 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 da, 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 da. Da, bum. Just repeats itself, okay? So have a lot of fun with this. Just go back and rewind. I don't know if you ever rewind anymore. We don't have VHS, but go back to the beginning and watch the chords over and over. Review G chord, D chord, C chord, and that's all. Pretty simple. All right, have fun. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing.